Do you want to save money on AWS ECR and ECS? Keep watching to learn 5 points to save money and consider like this video and subscribe. Let's start. Point number 1. Let's start on ECR. Go to the repositories, pick anyone, and then go to the lifecycle policy at the left menu. Maybe you don't have anything here, and then you will have a lot of images here, which is pretty common. So the first thing you can do in order to automatically delete the amount of images is to create a lifecycle policy rule. So here, create one rule, and then you can set the one that I have here. Here I have want to remove the images that are not being used more than 1 day. So every time I deploy anything, for instance, all the previous images are deleted. So the important thing is here, the image status. The status is untagged and then more than 1 day. And that's all. You can save here, and then the following day you will see that you only have the current active one. And that's it. Now let's go to ECS. When you are creating a new cluster, in case you are using EC2 instances, you can choose the spot instances, so you can save up to 90% off. Another point, you can use the EC2 saving plans, reserve instances, or even the spot instances on EC2. So that's another option in order to decrease the bill. Another thing you can do for a service is to use the auto-scaling service instead of have a fixed amount of containers running. So in case you are not using, you can enable here, and then you will set up a minimum and a maximum. And depending on the usage, it will upscale or downscale automatically based on the usage, instead of having a fixed number of tags, of containers. So finally, last point, you can do the metrics of your service, and then you can see if it's being used. Maybe you have more resources than you need, and then you can decrease the amount of memory and CPU that you are running. So that's another option to set up an accurate side of resources. And that's it. Hope you enjoy. Consider like this video, subscribe,